Welcome! In front of me I have TCL 20 Pro, and today I will show you a couple camera tricks. At first I will talk to you about the best features that we can find in the settings, and after that about things that we can make when we are using normal modes like photo, video or slow motion. So let's start from going to the settings, and when you are here, the first option that we can activate, and it's very useful, there's the volume button function. As you can see, currently it's set up on the shutter, so when you tap volume down or volume up button, you can take photo. I can recommend you to switch to the zoom and take a look right now. When you go back and when you are photo or video mode and press volume up or volume down button, we can smoothly zoom in just like that, as you can see, to the 10 times. And when you press volume down button, we are going to zoom out, and also we can switch to the ultra wide lens just like that. And right now we are on the 1x, so it means that we are in the photo mode. I mean in the telephoto lens. Okay, the next option is touch to capture. So when you enable this option, whenever you tap on your screen, you can capture screen. You can capture photo. Just like that. So it will be focus, and then the photo will be taken. The next option is called the Gridlines. And take a look right now on the screen appears help Gridlines that help us to take better composition on our photos. So if you want to put something in the middle on your photo, right now it will be definitely much easier. The next option is save location info, so it's also called the location tags. When you tap on the switcher and then enable location, just like that, be sure that everything is enabled. Yeah, it is. Right now when you are going for the photo and take photo just like that, we can take a look on the details, and in the details we will find the exact location where the photo was taken. As you can see, there it is. At the bottom, when you scroll down, let's see what we got here. We can enable or disable the shutter sound, so take a look. I hope that you can hear that one. Let me just volume up a little bit. Okay, let's take a photo another time. So we can get rid of that or activate whatever you want. We got also the watermark. Right now when you take photo, on the left bottom corner we will find mark that the photo was taken on the TCL 20 Pro, and it's also called display greatness. So I think that's all from the settings, all useful features. And right now when you are in the normal photo mode, we can simply go for this bar and tap on this icon, and we can set up the timer for 2, 5 or 8 seconds. Let's pick for example for the 2 seconds. Right now when we activate this option and click on the shutter, after the few seconds the photo will be taken. We can also quickly apply filters when you tap on the right bottom corner, and as you can see, here it is. So you don't have to use any external application, you can simply apply them from your camera application. So for example, we can take photo with this one and with this one. So there's the difference. The next option, we can quickly change aspect ratio, but to be honest, the best option is to always stay for 4:3, because there we got the best quality on our photos. So just stay with this one. And here we got also the Google Lens icon. So when you tap on it once, right now you are able to find objects around you. For example, we are going to make search, and I'm going to find this Logitech mouse. So let me just turn it like that. And as you can see, when you get this blue dot, it means that our item was recognized, and when we tap on the shutter like that, we will make the web search, and there it is, the exact model of our mouse. So there is B100 USB mouse, and there we got also price and shops where you can get this item. So very useful. You can also find here other things like homework, you can translate text, you can copy text. So there's basically a lot of things that you can make with the Google Lens. So there's useful and good to know that this option appears on the camera application. Well, let me turn off the filter. And right now when you click on the screen, let me just turn off this capture option. When you click on the screen, we can change brightness level by moving this sun icon on the up or down position. So we don't have to even use the Pro mode, you can make it straight from the photo mode, and the same you can make on the video mode. As you can see, there is. In the video mode, we can also enable external stabilization by tapping right here, and it's called the Super Anti-Shake feature. Here we got also the motion detection. When you are going for the more modes, we can find slow motion, super macro, short video, and high pixel. And let me show you how it works. So for example, I'm going to take photo maybe for this wipe, just like that, and I will show you the difference. So there is, we are going to catch focus on this place, take photo, and then I'm going to go back and then take photo with the normal mode. And let's see if we got here any difference. In the normal cases, we will get more details and the photo will be, we can zoom in a little bit. So take a look. That's how the photo looks when we take it with the high pixel mode. And there's with the normal mode. So here we can zoom definitely much closer, and we can spot a little bit more details on the photo. Here we got also the portrait mode. You can enable here the timer, and the super night mode. You can just simply tap on the shutter and the photo will be taken, but you have to keep your phone in the hand steady for a few seconds. And there we got also the Pro mode, where we can adjust ISO, shutter speed, EV, white balance, and focus. Of course, we got another video on our YouTube channel how to use that mode, so just check it out if you don't know how to make it. And basically that's all. So that's all interesting features that you can use when you have TCL 20 Pro. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.